Hello and welcome to CampaignTrackly. My name is Melina and today I'll show you how easy it is to connect CampaignTrackly with your SalesForce Marketing Cloud and automatically exchange data between the platforms. First, let's log into the CampaignTrackly platform. Once we're in, we are going to head over to our campaign metadata and names page because that is the workflow that I'm going to show you today. What we are going to do is, as you can see, there's nothing in this page currently, but once we connect via our one-click integrations layer to SalesForce Marketing Cloud, we are going to create a campaign in SalesForce Marketing Cloud, and then we will watch it as it automatically transfers over to CampaignTrackly so that we can create UTM links. All it takes is to enter our login information for SalesForce Marketing Cloud, and we are in. As you can see here, there are a lot of workflows that we've created over time, but let's click on this one. It's a very simple one. And we are in. As the next step, let's go to SalesForce Marketing Cloud. Here, as you can see, we do not have any campaigns, so let's create one. Let's start by adding the campaign name. You can do it by typing, copy-pasting. In some cases, some of our customers have a more complex model where they concatenate the campaign name themselves. You can also add description, select date start, date end, and add as much additional information as you need to. Once you have filled out all the required information and are ready to save the campaign, the save click functions as a trigger which automatically sends all of this information to CampaignTrackly. No extra information needed. Nothing else is required. No development time, right? All we need to do is now head over to CampaignTrackly to see what happened. And by the way, this is real time. No editing or copy pasting. All right, let's go to campaign name and metadata again. And now you can see that the campaign name that we created in SalesForce Marketing Cloud is already here. All we need to do is just click on the Build UTM Links icon so that we can start creating our UTM links. And the exciting part is that in addition to all the data, we also send the owner and unique ID information for the campaign. So this is really a great way to automate how you share campaign names across the different platforms that use them. And of course, this is a very simple example, right? We can create much more complex workflows for you. And if you need one, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@campaigntrackly.com. Well, thank you so much for your time today and have a wonderful day.